Hi there guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change Telegram chat background. Firstly guys, you need to make sure that you have opened your Telegram application, and then you should go on the three dots icon on your left upper side. Right after that, you need to go and select the settings button. Click on settings, then scroll down and looking for the fourth selection that says chat and settings. Click on it. Right after that, as you can see here on the first side, you have a message text size. With this, you can change the text size of the messages. But for now, we are just freaking up on our changing the Telegram chat background. What I need to do right here, if I scroll down, I need just to get up for my applications that are available. As you can see on the side that says change chat background, I need just to click on it. With this here, you can available the new chat section. As you can see, you can select from your gallery, or you can just set a color. And if you want to set a color, you need just to tap on it. For example, on this one, just go on set background, and when you get back, right after that, you open a chat. Here, as you can see, this chat background has been detected and selected on your Telegram. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon.